Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel for my quarterly FabFitFun box unboxing. As you can see here, well I can't actually show you the label on the top because stupid FabFitFun put my address label right on top of the FabFitFun logo. Rest assured, this beautiful fall box is the fall 2020 FabFitFun box. I am an annual subscriber, as you guys know, and we're just gonna dive right on in. None of the prerequisite stuff. This is a FabFitFun box subscription. I love this subscription. The end. My hands aren't very good at opening things, so I opened the box, but I haven't even looked at it yet. So I just made sure that the box was in fact opened. This is what I would have seen if I opened the box. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I like to do the FabFitFun unboxings in real time, so I can't remember what products I chose in here. I think I can remember one thing, but this kind of came out of the blue for me. I was like, oh, it's already time to do the fall box? Holy cow. So I did the select stuff. I didn't think a whole lot of it. I didn't pick as many, I don't think, beauty products this quarter because I'm working on converting my skincare over to one brand specifically recommended by my esthetician. I cannot say that word, but I'm regularly getting facials now and I want to use the brand that she works with and that she is an expert in to help get my skin to where I want it to be. So the moral of that story is I did not choose skincare products most of the time, I think. I think there was one where I might have, but I really can't remember. Bottom line is you and I are unboxing this together and I will be just as surprised as you in real time. As per usual, we start with our little magazine, but they give you a little magazine that admittedly I'm not very good about reading. Like truly, but the list of products is in here, so that's what we're going to be referencing throughout this video. The box doesn't appear to be as full as normal, but that just must mean that I have smaller products, which is totally fine. Let's dive in and see what we got. We've got a HelloFresh coupon with 10 free meals with purchase, which I don't think is legit, and it's also probably not for returning customers. New customers only. I'm not a new customer. Bright Sellers scratch-off card. Ooh. I don't order wine either. Let's start with the thing I know what it is. In this little pouch right here, these, as I'm working my way in here, I think are supposed to be blue light blocking glasses, which if you've heard anything on sleep or on computers or on stress or on anything, blue light is apparently a bad thing. And of course, blue light is what all of our technology emits. So blue light blocking glasses are a thing. And I don't have them. Oh, well, I'll be darned. You can see my thing. So it looks ridiculous because I have a ring light in front of me, but it does warm things up. Huh. Well, isn't that interesting? Also, I feel like I kind of look like my mother with these glasses on. Huh. My mom, I vividly remember my mom having a pair of glasses that were a little bit bigger. Oh my goodness. Okay, so while they do give a tint to things, it just warms things up a little bit, which is absolutely to be expected when you are literally blocking out the blue hue in blue lights. Fascinating. Wow. Can you see what that did? Do you see the difference? Can you see the difference? I think you can. That's blue light blocking glasses. I definitely picked these because, again, we're avoiding the beauty products as much as possible this quarter, but also it's something that I didn't have that I really think I should use because I don't usually take my contacts out until the very, very last thing before I go to bed. So putting these on at night to watch TV or to do whatever, it would actually be a really smart thing for me to do for my sleep hygiene. Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown tortoise. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. So even if I'm sitting working on my computer all the time, and I'm sorry, I'll take this off because I know the reflection's obnoxious, but even if I'm sitting editing and doing stuff where I'm just in front of screens all day, these are a really good thing to have. Supposedly. I will let you guys know in a future vlog or something if these actually appear to be worth having, but the retail value is $45. That was a really good start. Next up, I have the Laundress Crease Release, which must be an anti-wrinkle spray for your clothes. Yes, in a world of overpacked schedules, ironing isn't always an option. This quick fix easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics. Okay, very good. Shall we see if it smells good? That does not smell like I expected it to at all. I don't know how to... It says classic scent is the ultimate clean laundry smell. I guess I can smell it. At first it did not smell quite as clean laundry as I expected it to, but I guess it does smell like clean laundry now. I guess I was thinking more of like the Sea Island cotton scent from Bath & Body Works. This smells brighter than that, but it's really nice. Oh, I do like that smell. Wrinkle release. Excellent. Okay. Not mad about this either. The Laundress New York Crease Release is $16. Next, we'll grab this right here. Stress Reliever Natural Hair Oil. This I think I chose, but I'm not entirely sure about that either. I'm not entirely sure about a whole lot this month, huh? Let's see. Liquid, L-I-K-W-I-D. I couldn't figure out what that said, what the logo said. Can you see that? I couldn't figure out what that said, which is why I didn't tell you. Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% natural hair oil. Give your scalp a massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. This supposedly retails for $75. What the heck is in here that this retails for $75? Rapeseed oil, jasmine flower oil, pumpkin seed oil, and sesame oil. $75. $75. Moving on. Szechuan styling cream. I can't talk. Ooh, straight or curly hair. Great. Styling cream coats hair to create superb shine and protection. Apply to damp hair, air dry for natural smooth curls, or blow dry for a straight and shiny look. Fantastic. Now that skincare, like acquiring different skincares is probably out of the question, I'm way into hair care lately, especially hair care that lets my hair air dry naturally, and I get this. So this would probably be something that would help aid in this look right here. Apparently it came as a set. There's a styling cream, and then there is a finishing cream of the same brand that comes together. Finish cream creates moisture and definition and adds weightless shine. Apply to dry or damp hair. This set retails for $65. Tell you what, we're getting some high-end stuff up in here. Let's see. I won't mess with the styling cream, but I'll mess with the finishing cream. Kind of has the consistency of sunblock with not a whole lot of scent to it. I'm not going to do too much because I actually really like the way my hair is falling, but all right. It doesn't leave your hands feeling, oh no, it kind of does. It kind of leaves your hands feeling greasy. Well, we'll see. I'll have to use these things together the next time I straighten my hair, and I'll let you guys know. Oh, look, a skincare product snuck in here. Whoops. I mean, guys, I can't help myself sometimes. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Serum. Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. If you have issues with pores enlarged and clogged with excessive oil, you want smaller looking pores and a smooth, flawless complexion, hello, that's me, then this is for you. Silicone-free, pore-treating serum that delivers a filtered appearance as it tackles existing pores and helps prevent new blackheads from forming. Immediately experience smaller-looking pores without shine. Our pore-perfecting complex featuring farnesol, adipic acid, what's with all of these words? Some weird mushroom and prickly pear helps dissolve waxy buildup within the pore wall and flushes away impurities. Interesting. For AM or PM use, apply as an all-over treatment on clean, dry skin. For optimal results, apply after your other peel by them. Okay, I'm here for this. I'm also here for this because this retails for $65. So, this is a brand I know and a brand I trust, even though it is not the brand that my esthetician is working with me on. This feels very oily. Give it a second. Give it a second. This is a brand that I enjoy though. And I I think we are a ways away from incorporating any sort of serum into my plan. So I'm just sticking to basics right now. Like I've eliminated a lot. So actually putting this in, especially because my pores are pretty exceptionally clogged right now and we can't quite figure out why, this might actually be a really great thing for me to add into my routine for a while. It smooths out and it dries pretty quickly. This will be something I probably use in the evening. All right. Well, I'm excited. Yay! Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I'm not even gonna open it because it's clear brow gel. You don't really need to see it. But ABH is a brand that is very, very well known, especially for products like this. This is one of their best sellers, I believe. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. $22. Set the shape and color of your brows with this lightweight gel. There you go. This is cute. The brand name is, or the product is Glow Milk, and it's in a little shiny milk carton. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is though, and I'm gonna ruin my nails trying to find out. So this, vegan, nourished with coconut and argan oil, what the heck is it? Nourished with coconut oil, illuminating milk for face and body. Whoa. Illuminating milk. Well, I won't be using this on my face, I don't think. All right. So there's my little drop. Can you see it? Whoa. Whoa. What am I supposed to do with this? That is very illuminating. Oh, that was one drop, guys. One drop. I could highlight my entire face with one drop of this. What am I supposed to do with this? Don't get me wrong, it's very pretty. It's a nice shade and everything, but what am I supposed to do with it? Maybe I'll be using it on my body or maybe like my collarbone, which you can't really see in this. What if I did it like here? Huh? How does that? I don't know. Okay, so it's very pretty in the bottle. Very pretty, and I mean, it's very pretty here too, but one drop literally just overtook my entire hand. So as somebody who tries to get rid of shine on her face, this is not something I will be using on my face. If you have any brilliant ideas for what I can do with this, like, do I save it for when I go to Florida and then once I get a nice little tan, like put it on my legs and my arms? Is that what I do with this? I don't even know. The Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date. Enriched with coconut, this highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. $19.50. I'm not at all excited about that. Not gonna lie to you. And then we have one more thing that I once again don't remember. Tranquility Sleep Mist. Awesome. This sounds right up my alley. We're gonna open it from the bottom so I don't have to go and get tape or scissors again. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. I'm here for this. Here for this. Oh, that smells like a spa. I love this. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. That, like, I don't even know about bedtime. That just smells like a spa, and anytime I want to have a, I guess, relaxing environment. Not necessarily sleepy, but a relaxing environment. That is legit. So Tranquility is the right name for it, I suppose. Tranquility Sleep Mist. Formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water, this mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. Shipping restrictions may apply. $22. That's awesome. Okay, I really like the way that smells. So that smells, I think there's got to be more in it than just lavender oil because that smells a little bit brighter than lavender to me. The only thing with fragrance is lavender, but that doesn't smell like just lavender to me. Whatever, it smells good. That's all that matters, right? And it appears that that is everything in my box. So let's recap. So of all the items that I chose were as follows. For an all members choice, meaning any subscription member got to choose, my choice was the styling cream and finishing cream for the hair. Another everybody gets to choose item was for me the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Serum and the blue light glasses. Those were all options that everybody had the chance to pick. And then select members, which is me, the annual subscribers where you pay for everything up front, those people get these next customization options as well. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's a lot of choices, but the customization options I chose were the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, the really expensive hair oil, still not sure how I feel about that, the crease release wrinkle remover that smells like clean laundry, and the Tranquility sleeping spray. So I will go ahead and put the total value of my box right over here in this corner, and as a reminder, as an annual subscriber, I paid $45 for this box. All in all, I mean, the blue light glasses themselves were worth $45. So for the price of the blue light glasses, I got everything you just saw in this box, which is a really great value, even if I only use the blue light glasses. But I plan on using everything. I chose in a way that I would use things up instead of just accumulate stuff. So that was the goal, and I appear to have done a pretty decent job. If you are a FabFitFun subscriber, let me know in the comments below some of the things that you got in your box. Did you pick the same items as me? Did you get different items? How did you feel about it? If you're interested in joining FabFitFun, go ahead and click the link down below. I do get some referral credit if you do decide to use my link to join, and for that, I thank you for your support. As I always say, FabFitFun has been a box that I avoided for ages because I thought it was so over-advertised. P.S. not sponsored. This video is not sponsored by them. I just happen to be an affiliate, but I pay for this with my own money. But I always felt that it was so over-advertised by all of the influencers that I avoided it adamantly. Then I came to my senses and was like, okay, let me just try it. And it turns out that this is the only subscription that I still subscribe to in terms of subscription boxes. So it is that good. I love this subscription box and will continue to get it for the foreseeable future. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!